What if the key to managing modern stress wasn't found in a complex new philosophy, but in the intricate wiring of your own brain? We are now discovering how the latest breakthroughs in neuroscience can be woven directly into the fabric of our daily lives. Modern brain research reveals that our brains are not fixed structures, but are constantly adapting and reorganizing themselves, a remarkable process known as neuroplasticity. This means that small, consistent habits can physically reshape our neural pathways, fundamentally changing how we feel, think, and perform. Consider this. Studies show that practicing mindfulness for just 10 minutes a day can create measurable changes in brain structure, reducing the brain's stress centers and sharpening focus. This isn't just theory, it's a tangible, observable transformation. The same science applies to our environment. Neuroscientists have found that simply exposing your eyes to natural light in the morning helps regulate your body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, boosting mood and energy for the entire day. Even something as fundamental as hydration is critical. Research indicates that being even mildly dehydrated can temporarily shrink brain tissue, directly impacting your concentration and memory. So, how do we turn this powerful knowledge into action? Let's begin with the most direct tool you possess, your breath. Research has validated techniques like the 4-7-8 method, a slow inhale for a count of 4, holding for 7, and a complete exhale for 8. This simple, deliberate act sends a powerful signal to your parasympathetic nervous system, calming your body's stress response and lowering cortisol levels. A few minutes of this before a challenging meeting can make all the difference. Next, let's redefine our relationship with movement. You don't need an exhaustive workout to reap the rewards. Studies from Harvard Medical School highlight that even a brisk 10-minute walk can effectively reduce anxiety and elevate your mood. Think of these as exercise snacks, short, intentional bursts of movement that break up long periods of sitting and re-energize your mind. Then there is the focused practice of mindfulness. A major meta-analysis published in JAMA Internal Medicine confirmed that as little as 10 minutes of daily meditation significantly reduces perceived stress and improves cognitive performance. It is a mental workout that builds lasting resilience. Finally, all of these tools are built upon the non-negotiable foundation of restorative sleep. The American Psychological Association emphasizes that adults require 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep for optimal stress regulation and brain function. By creating simple rituals, a consistent bedtime, limiting screen exposure before bed, and ensuring your room is cool and dark, you give your brain the essential time it needs to repair, consolidate memories, and reset for the day ahead. By integrating these science-backed strategies, you are no longer just coping with stress. You are actively rewiring your brain for resilience, clarity, and peak performance, one deliberate practice at a time.